we created a YouTube playlist. Playlist basically means where you find everything that has to do with those series of videos. So we're going to be having videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays to be posted the next day. So it's going to be found in the YouTube playlist. So just go to our YouTube channel and view that playlist, and you are going to find all the recordings. It's best to always attend classes real time. Don't depend on the recording. The recording is mainly not for those that miss, but it's even for those that were in class, so that you will be able to, give yourself something to go over by the end of the class to get to understand it better. If you keep compiling things that you watch the recording later, you're going to have serious issues. So if you know anybody that is not in class yet, please notify them to join right away, because we are starting, in less than 4 minutes. We're going to start at 8:40 p.m. West African time on the dot. So if you're in class, I want you to do something for me. Go to the WhatsApp group now. I'm going to tag everybody, asking if you're in class. If you're in class, just type "I am in." Type it on the WhatsApp group, support group that's created for this bootcamp. There's a WhatsApp support group that is created for this bootcamp. So if you're not yet there, please try to join there. The link was sent to your email. So yeah, I want to see more and more people in class. This is just 48. We can be more than this. We can be more than this. Okay. So let's if you know anybody that is part of this bootcamp, get them to actually always attend classes. So tonight we are having a new instructor. We thank Sarah Oluwatosin so much for the great work she did last week. She did an amazing job with the classes last week, and we went over the fundamentals of StarkNet, why StarkNet, and a lot of questions like that. And we got a lot of knowledge, right? So tonight we are going to be having Victor Ifena, who is going to, take us on a deep dive on on Cairo. I'm going to be going deep on Cairo. Victor, if you're in the call, please unmute your mic and please say hi. Think country cousin, that should be you on the call. Just say hi. Let's get to know you.
Hello everybody. Can you hear me?
Country cousin, can you speak? Your mic is muted.
Yes, I'm
Yes, good
speaking right.
evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm okay, man. I'm okay. What about you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing great. Nice to have you with us on this bootcamp. Please, let's appreciate Victor. Victor is a smart contract developer. He writes Solidity and also writes Cairo, which is obviously the Rust variation of what is used on Starknet. So he's very, very well experienced, and he's going to be taking us on this journey. So we welcome Victor, and we will give him the floor right now to kick off with the activities for the week. Welcome, sir. Floor is yours.
All right. Thank you so much. So, welcome everybody to the third session. This is the second week of the boot camp. Today we are going to, go deep into understanding what Cairo is all about. Cairo programming language, which is actually the language you use to build.
Victor, I don't know, but it feels your voice feels a bit muffled. Could you probably check? Are you on Bluetooth or something? It's a bit muffled. If not, probably go closer to your mic.
I don't know, is the issue only from you or from every other person?
It's audible, just a bit muffled.
Okay, but is it better now?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you. So, like I was saying, today we are going to, learn Cairo, the basics actually, because the learning process is actually a continuous process, right? Given the fact that the language is still new, and it's constantly evolving. So I'll do the best I can, to present it as friendly as possible so that we together, we learn together. Um, so without wasting much of our time, I will begin to share my screen. Um, position four on the screen. Sorry, can somebody confirm if they can see my screen right now? All right, all right, all right. So, this is the slide I prepared for the class. So we have quite a lot to go through, and we do the best we can. The plan is not to finish everything actually, but to understand. Okay, someone is raising their hand. Allow me. Um, so the plan, like I was saying, is not to finish everything here, but to get us as far as possible. And also, it's important we understand what exactly we are doing. I believe that should be the priority because once you're able to get the basis down, you can always pick up the book and you know learn from there as well. So, like I already said, my name is Victor Ifenda, and that's my X handle. And okay, so that's my name, and yeah, things I do. So the agenda for today, first of all, we need to understand what Cairo programs is all about. Then today we get to write our first Cairo program. Uh, who is that? Please, if you're coming in, let's try and mute your mic so that. Okay, is it only Ezekiel that can't see my screen, or is there someone else having same issue, please? I need a feedback. Okay, okay. Okay, Ezekiel, I think it's from your end. So if you could maybe rejoin the call. Yeah, that might help. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody. So like I was saying, um, these are the agenda. Now the aim is not to finish everything today, obviously, but you see, we do the best we can, see how far we can go, and then yeah. So understanding Cairo programs, first of all, we need to ask ourselves the question like, who is supposed to be here in this call? So the truth about the whole situation is anybody can actually learn Cairo programming language, although the curve, like the learning curve, might be different for person A to person B. All right. Take for example, if you've been writing only JavaScript and maybe Python, these are not statically typed language. So it might be uh, a bit more of work might be required of you for you to flow with every other person. Okay, my voice is breaking. Is it better right now? Okay, okay. So, but someone with the knowledge of Rust per se, obviously, might find Cairo a lot easier to pick up. Yes, and maybe if you've been writing Solidity, yeah, Solidity is it's statically typed language as well, so you will have an idea of what it's all about. But what about those that have not written any statically typed language before now? Well, there's no problem actually. The pop-up. Okay, okay, okay. Don't I need that? Let me just okay. Actually minimize it. I probably need the pop-up so that I can easily go back to the code. Is it okay the way it is right now? or should I take it up entirely? All right, all right. So, like I was saying, even if you have no experience, writing a statically typed language, no problem, right? You can still pick Cairo up and do a great thing. So, like I've said here, according to the slide, this is about writing simple instructions. Now, in Starknet, we have Cairo programs and we have Starknet contracts. Now, Cairo programs does not have, like we stated here, whose mic is muted. Like we stated here, key point, they are stateless, which means they don't have access to the Starknet virtual machine, Starknet VM here, Starknet virtual machine. You can't change the state, right? They don't have access to the blockchain. It's just like you're playing around with your regular programs. Yes. Now, here we say something like every Cairo program must include a main entry point defined as what? The function main. So no matter the kind of program you're writing, this main function, fn main, must be present for your code to compile. Now, have we all installed Scarb? Please, I need a response on that. Um, okay, okay, all right. So I'll be spinning up a version of something right here, so that we can work together with this. Call it class, and then I will open terminal here. Okay, just before then, I want to create a new folder, from which we can maybe work out of. So I run you can check your Scarb version by running Scarb, um, var, all that is correct. So I have 2.8.1 currently installed. I suggest we all install this particular version because Cairo Book actually is currently on this particular version. So you don't run into version issues. Yes. So from here, I will create a new project. It's called it Scarb new. I'll just call it classwork. Okay. Okay. As for the version, I have 2.8.1. Yes. So then I click enter. I want to use just basic Cairo.
Can you zoom into your code or your screen, make it bolder? It's a bit
All
tiny
right.
if you're using the laptop. Yeah.
That better.
A bit more.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
If you can see the
Okay.
screen clearly now and it's okay for you, please type is okay. If it's not okay, you mention so you can go more. And I hope everybody's with their laptop anyways.
Yeah, because this would make sense if everybody can tag along. And yes. All right. So where am I? Okay. I have to cd into the classwork that I just created right now. Then open my code editor. All right. So this is your scarb.toml, where you add your dependency. If you had anyone, you add it. If you're using maybe something like OpenZeppelin, or you want to use Foundry, or when you want to build on Starknet, this is where you add the versioning that you want to use. You can see the name of our project here, classwork. So just as basic as that, actually. Then this is where your work goes in. Um, this like comes with the installation, so we don't need it for now. Now, if you want to start up a new project, you can actually write your code within this link.cairo. Like we said that every Cairo program must have what? A main function. So all we have to do is say function main. This is how you define function, by the way. You use the keyword fn, then the name of the function, which is main in this case, followed by parentheses. Your parentheses could contain parameters depending on the nature of work you want to do. Then here we do not determine anything yet. Okay. This is a valid function in
Please
Cairo.
zoom in again.
Sorry.
And I
Yeah.
think a couple of persons said they are not following. You are moving too fast, so probably need to
Oh,
recap.
okay. Can I know the place they got lost, like, so that I can move from there, please?
So if you are lost, please just raise your hand. The best way to learn is by saying something. If you are lost, say something, raise your hand.
From the terminal. Somebody said from the terminal. Okay. All right. All
Okay.
I did in the terminal. Yeah.
Yeah, the other people that raised hand, probably you can ask them to speak so you can check, figure out how to
Okay.
aggregate all.
Just unmute your mic and speak. Let me see. Um, people that raised hand: Wilfred Okuri, Mano CK Tochuku, and Peace. Please, where is the problem from?
I got lost from the terminal where you initialize the project.
Okay. I'll go back right there and show you what I did. All right. So back, this is my terminal. And just navigate to any folder at all on your desktop, wherever you want it to be. Have you done
So you
that?
can't see your terminal.
Yes, I'm following now.
Okay. Then the first command you have to, once you have Scarb installed,
Sorry, we can't
Sorry,
see
I
your
can't see
terminal.
your terminal.
you can't see my terminal.
You are not, yeah, you are not yet in your terminal, or probably you zoomed too big that they can't see your terminal. I can't see it either.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. What about now?
Nope.
It seems you are not presenting your terminal.
Yes,
The tab.
now I can see the terminal for me.
Okay, because I'm sharing it the entire screen. All right. Can everybody see it right now, please?
Can you
Yes,
stop?
No, I can't see it.
No, we
you are,
cannot see it.
No, I can't see it.
you are zoomed in, so we can't see the terminal. The terminal is supposed to be down.
Not yet.
Try zooming out.
Yes,
Try
not
zooming
yet.
out. Try zooming out.
Good.
And zoom into where the terminal is.
All right. Let me just expand this whole thing and see what happens. What about now, please?
Still the same.
It's
Wow.
still the same.
So
Oh, just like this
unshare
time.
your screen and share again.
I don't know. Maybe if you can just share your screen again.
All right. Let me do just that.
Or if you can minimize the VS code, I don't know, probably.
All right. I'll
Very good.
stop sharing right now.
Yeah, we can see your screen now.
All right. I want to restart every process, the entire screen. All right. All right. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I navigate to this is where I want my folder to be. Now the people that said they didn't get what I did, I think this is the one I used. So I opened my terminal somewhere here, and first of all, you confirm your installation, scarb -- version, right? We all did this. Are we on the same page currently?
We can't still see your terminal.
We still can't see your terminal.
Yeah, I don't know. We saw it the first time, but we can't see it now.
Is it
He
disappearing?
just says
The only thing showing is your file, your finder that shows the folder called GIDA. That's what is
Okay.
currently showing on your screen. Yes, the folder you were talking about navigating to. Very good. Now we can see your terminal. Oh, it has gone off again.
I'm back to the terminal now. Can you see it now?
Yes.
That will
Yes,
work.
you
I don't
can
know.
see it.
If you can see his terminal, please type, I can see the terminal.
You can
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
All
Very
right.
good. Everybody can see.
Is that right now?
Yes, everybody can see.
All right. So after checking the version you have installed, next thing is to initialize the project. You can call it, use this command, scarb new, any name you want, classwork, anything.
If you are typing on your terminal, we can't see what you're typing, except you're not yet typing.
I just said what I said you should write. Use the
Okay.
command, scarb new, classwork.
Yeah, everybody, make sure you code along what he has just said. Open your terminal and use that command to initialize Scarb build, then the name of the project. You can call
No,
it classwork.
new. Okay, let me just
Yes,
copy
Scarb
the,
new. Scarb new. Probably can paste it in call messages so that they
yeah,
can
yeah.
copy from it.
So, right here,
Make sure you have your laptop. Very good. Somebody has typed it.
something like this. So you can name it anything you want. I'm calling this class, so you can call it whatever you want. Yes. Um. Okay.
Okay.
Peace. What's the-
Okay, sorry, please, where do we start before we get to that to creating the project? What do I type in first? Please, sorry, I didn't hear you well. What do I
Where
type
do you
in
want?
first, like before I type in that Scarb create new?
Okay. Do you have your Scarb installed currently?
Yes.
Then you don't have to type anything else. Just type the command I sent in the text, and you'll be fine.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Don Chris.
Yeah, sorry, sir. I just trip off the call and I'm just back now, so I can't see any message on this chat. I'm very sorry. Can you just reshare the command, please?
It's okay. Scarb new, the name of the project. I'm calling it classwork, so you can call it anything you want. However, I just sent it right now. Thank you, Obuneme. Okay, once you have that ready, you hit enter. I will be choosing the second command, Cairo test. Have we all done that?
Yeah, we are on the same page. Yeah.
All right. Hit enter. And just like that, your working folder is created for you. The next thing you have to do is just see particular folder. Okay. On Lawal, yes.
Please, can you come again with the Cairo test?
Okay. The way you choose, I don't know if you've used that before. You can select a particular command. Do you get that? Use your
What do
arrow
you say?
keys. Use arrow keys to select Cairo test.
Done. Thank you.
All right. All right. Then are we all on the same page currently?
No, please, if I entered Cairo test, will it show new classwork? Because I entered okay.
Okay, once you enter there, you see the name of the let me do my CD slash work. Yeah, with R. So if I do ls, I will find these two files here, Scarb turmoil and SRC, my source file folder. Are we all on the same page currently?
Sorry, we are not on the same page. We're still on your terminal. We can't see.
But you can hear my voice, right?
Yeah, we can hear your voice. Yeah.
Just run the command and follow the prompts. It's that simple. Okay.
Okay, we're on the same page. Thank you.
Have you opened your VS Code or your code editor, anyone you use? All right, this is my code editor. Like we were saying, this is the point of entry to our program. Once you have this written, you have a valid Cairo program. Do we get this?
No.
Okay.
Yes,
Sorry, I
yes,
can't see
yes.
your screen.
Everybody's having issue with screen.
I can see your code editor. The
Yes.
function main. Yeah.
Yes, that's where I am currently.
Okay.
So, do we all understand that main function here is
Sir.
of yes.
Hello.
Yes, I'm with you. Talk.
Okay. Is it that you create another file inside the VS Code? Because I can't.
No, you don't have to create another file. Where are you currently?
I'm actually still on the terminal.
Okay, the next thing you can do is type code period.
Code what?
Okay, look at the chat box. You can see something someone typed.
I can't see
code.
your screen.
No, not mine. Look at the chat section.
Okay.
Yeah, type code period. Then you hit enter.
Code period. Abi?
Yeah, that is full stop. Yes.
Code dots, full stop.
Okay.
But I think somebody has to set this up before it actually takes effect. Some laptops don't have it automatic. I have to set mine up at some point. I'll find the link to the article and send so you can see how to set it up.
Okay.
So if you try it and it doesn't work, just follow the guide.
Yeah, I think it doesn't work on my own actually.
Is that Windows you're using or?
Yeah, I'm using Windows.
I've not actually worked with these.
Just ignore code dot and go ahead and open it in your VS Code. I'm going to send the link to you.
I think
Okay, sorry. Okay, we should just go to our code editor and open it directly to the file.
Yes. Right click on that folder, then you open with VS Code or something like that. How you do it with Windows.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, can we proceed right now? Yeah, they can open manually. Works. Everybody, can we proceed? Okay. So
Yes, we can. We can.
I believe we all understand what I explained here about main function. Can somebody tell us what main is all about? Anybody, please.
It's more like the entry point to our code.
Exactly. Do we all understand this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So over to the next slide, please. Now this is a valid. No, we have a program here now. Now I'll be going back to my editor. So we write something very basic. We already have our main up here. You can have another function, say function call main. Okay, someone is raising their hand. Can you unmute and speak, please? Oluwafemi, yeah. Femi,
Hi,
are you?
sorry, don't answer the question you asked.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Femi, are you still talking? Savior.
No, he's not. He's not talking.
Yes, I can't hear him again. Maybe he was out. Okay, Savior, you have a question?
Okay, yes, I wasn't seeing your screen before, but it just came up now.
Okay, okay. But are you following the class? So
Yes,
far.
I'm following. Yes.
So you want to
Thank you.
actually, okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. You want to define this column, and it's taking a parameter number of type felt. Okay. So all I have to do here, I'll supply the number. Remember, Cairo is a statically typed language. So the type you are meant to what? Specify it. And this is felt 252. We don't want it to return anything. So we just want to output the value. Yeah. I will say, okay, whose hands is up. Num is capture this and we call it num. All right. You can ask a question, please.
Okay, so sir, I wanted to ask, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
My own this thing, my own source folder is not showing the same this thing with your own. It's not showing the same code with your own.
Okay. Did you open with Foundry or with Cairo text?
Open with Cairo text.
If you open with Cairo text, is meant to have the same everything with mine. What are you seeing in yours, please? Like contract or what?
It's no, it's the normal raw code, but it's not the same with your own.
Okay, you know what?
I
Just
think
clean.
he's not using the same version with you. He's not using 2.81. She should check her version.
That it shouldn't be an issue. Just clean everything in your lib.cairo. Can you do that?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, I'll be going back to my editor right now. Everything in this lib.cairo, clean it up for now.
Okay.
Then, have you done that?
Yes, I've cleaned it up.
Then open your terminal in the VS Code now.
Okay.
Then try writing. Can you see my VS Code?
Yes, I can see.
Tab, cairo-run.
I cannot see your VS Code terminal.
It's right there with my VS Code. Let me bring it up a bit. I know this increased version. Can anybody else see my terminal in the VS Code?
No, I can't see it.
No.
No, I cannot see it.
I can't see it.
Yes, I can see it now.
I still can't see it from my end,
So
though.
we can't see it. We can't see it.
I still can't see it from my end.
I can't see it though.
I can see your VS Code.
It's not everyone that can see. Maybe you should just say.
We are talking about the terminal of the VS Code. You can't see it.
That is what you are saying. We can't see it.
I think we're not seeing the terminal. We're only seeing the VS Code. So
Let me rejoin the call and see if that can resolve these issues, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Stop sharing.
Meanwhile, I've just shared for people who said they don't know how to set up that code.thing to automatically open your VS Code from your terminal when you click code dots. I've shared the instruction or guide on how to do it. So just basically install that extension in your VS Code, follow the instruction there to set it up, and you'll be able to do it. So what it enables you to do is wherever you are in your VS Code, if you create any directory, file, structure, anything, and you just type code, you put a space and put period or full stop and click enter, it's going to open that thing straight in your VS Code. So if yours is not working automatically, that means you have to set it up. So go ahead and go through the article and do it. But for now, since things are pretty fast, just go ahead and open it straight from your in your VS Code. You can set this up later if it's not something you can do now. Welcome back, Victor. I think your mic is muted, Victor.
All right. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, let me go to my terminal, like the normal terminal. Can you see it right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we can see it, sir.
Awesome. Then my VS Code terminal, can you see that too?
No, you are not yet there.
No.
What we can see is just your normal terminal.
Okay.
I don't know, probably it's because you are zooming in a lot. Maybe if you want to show your terminal, if it's not something you can switch and they're showing at the same time, that means you have to zoom back out so you can see the whole screen. Then you zoom into the one for the VS terminal, if that is the way it works. But if not, that means you have to always switch.
Yeah. Okay. What's on the what can you see currently on my screen?
Your normal laptop
Yeah,
terminal.
your normal terminal, sir.
Could you minimize your terminal?
Okay, let me just minimize this as well. All right. Okay, currently, can you tell me what you can see? VS Code, please. We don't suffer.
The same thing.
Still your normal terminal.
Still in your normal terminal.
Since my screen is freezing or something, I don't know.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Just close your terminal, then go to where your VS Code is. Open the terminal there. You know that is two. You have another different windows.
We can see your VS Code terminal.
We can see the VS Code and the terminal now.
Okay.
I think you have the two windows open. That's what is confusing you. So close the other window.
Yes, close the other window. Open the terminal on the same window VS Code is, so that you can be having and switch interchangeably.
I've closed the other terminal entirely, actually. So
There is VS Code.
let me see. Now I have just Brave and VS Code open.
Yes, just VS Code is showing now.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not accessing the VS Code. It's like, is my network or what?
Yeah,
What
we can see
about
the switch. We can see the switch, yeah.
okay?
I can
Awesome.
see the screen. But no VS Code.
All right. Now I'm going back to VS Code. Like that.
Yes, you can see the VS Code.
So can you see the terminal of my VS Code as well?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Perfect. So
I think you should probably just restart with the whole switching and everything. Some people may be confused. So
yeah.
now that everything
Me,
is in
I'm
order,
already
probably.
confused. I'm not seeing any VS Code. So
okay. So I will be taking off this guy here. This is where we started. We established that function main here. Can you see the characters, or should I increase it again?
Yeah, just increase a bit.
Okay. Is that okay? This is too big, man.
The thing is that I'm not seeing any change. If you increased it now, I didn't see any change.
Yeah, probably same here.
Okay, let's work with this, please. We said that the point of entry to our program is the main function. And we established that main is a valid program. Once you have this set up in your program, you are okay. Your function will, your program will compile. So if I should run this again, cairo-run on the terminal. Let's see what happens. It completed successfully. Can we see that? Hello?
Nothing is happening on your screen.
Mine is showing error.
Nothing is happening on your screen. Can probably stop sharing and start sharing again. I think it's just like a general network issue. Probably is having some slight network issues as well. But the command he has asked you all to run it, then you can share feedback.
I've run my own, it's showing error.
Let him come back.
I'll allow you to share your screen now. Let's see the error you have. Can you do that?
I cannot hear you.
Can you share your screen so we can see the error? Maybe it could help someone else.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Can you see?
From my end, it's kind of blank. I don't know if someone else is having the same issue.
Yes, it's the same here.
We can't see
Yeah,
her
we can't see your
We
screen.
can't see her screen. Yeah, I think we can't see her screen.
You can't see it.
Maybe it's
Check
general network.
check your Google Meet. You see an icon that looks like a square and an arrow facing upward. So that's the button you use to share your screen.
Yeah, I think she tried sharing, but maybe her network is not strong enough or something. But did anyone's like code compile? Like I did mine, please. Anybody? When you clear, just run the command Scarb cairo-run. Did you get what I'm getting right now? With just your main function here. Okay, I'm getting thumbs up. Tom Tochuku. Do you have a question, please? Okay.
You are asking if anyone followed their code, so I was trying to pick it up.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, Jennifer. Can you see that? So for the thing currently is that
No, I
this
can't see your
function.
screen.
Victor, I don't think you're sharing your screen yet.
Okay, yeah, I'm not sharing actually. Sorry about that. Come on. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now to my VS Code. This is what I have, and everything is running okay. Right? Are we all here now? I'm gonna need some feedback, please.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see your VS Code.
You can see your terminal VS Code.
Okay. So currently the program is not doing anything per se. Now, if we want to write our first Cairo, okay, thank you. All you have to do, traditionally, the first line of code you write is say, hello world, you know. So you can easily achieve that by typing in print line macro. You can use this, right? Type hello world. And then if I run my command again, first of all, let me clear the terminal. Say Scarb Cairo run. Let's see what happens. Can we see that hello world was printed right here? Did anybody else achieve this? Okay, I'm getting thumbs up. David, what's the problem? Lawa, awesome.
Please, you guys should
David,
speak up. If you have issues, speak up ASAP. There is no time. Speak up, unmute your mic and speak.
Okay, yeah. So I can't. I didn't see this thing. So I'm still seeing the FN main. That's actually what I'm still seeing. So that's I'm actually saying I've been only official.
Did you look at
okay,
the terminal? It's talking about the terminal section, no longer the command at the top.
Adebayo Olamide.
Yes, and I tried to run the Skype cairo-run, but my own is giving me an error. It's telling me command not found. ZSH, command not found. Scarb.
Have you installed Scarb before now?
Yes, I have.
What Scarb version are you currently running?
2.8.2.
2.8.2.
Yes. Scarb version 2.8.2.
Okay, give me a second. Don Chris, what is it?
Yeah, I think I'm having same issue with you because I just tried to run the program, but it's telling me like no such command.
When did you install your Scarb? Is it just now or before now?
No, I've already installed it before now.
I think we might have to look at your keys maybe after the class. Does that make sense?
Okay.
You won't be able to do anything.
Yeah,
Just be writing the program before.
Yes, because peace, yes.
Okay, mine is showing Scarb metadata exited with error.
Wow. Okay, I think we need to work on our Scarb config and everything, maybe after the class. But we need to work together actually, so that we all can learn together.
They should probably share their screen so you see where they have
So you'll be able to resolve that error. This is what is.
I'll stop sharing my screen right now. Maybe one of you that's having this issue
physical
should
class.
share their screen.
I don't know why I'm not able to share my screen there. If I try sharing it, it's showing my face. Like, I don't know,
Okay, maybe
it's my safe place.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Raised.
Yeah. Let me share my screen so you can see.
Okay, I'll stop sharing right now. Yeah. Okay, Jennifer, do you have a question, please?
Okay, I just wanted to say that I had the same issue as some other people. Mine is showing no such command, cairo-run. So can't find the command. And my version for Scarb is 2.81.
Okay.
And
Have
I
you been able
installed
to resolve
yesterday.
it?
Oh, I no, not be
Yeah,
able to
so
resolve it.
yeah,
I
so,
installed it on Saturday night. So.
Probably after Don Chris finish sharing his screen and what he has to his error is, you can share yours, Jennifer.
okay, so this I don't know if you guys, yeah, I don't know if you can see my screen now.
Yes, I can see your screen right now.
Yeah, so this is the error the thing is showing me now. I did exactly as you did.
Are you using Windows?
Yeah, I'm using Windows. Yeah.
Can you convert this PowerShell to what other shell do they use in the Windows?
Well, I will
Batch.
suggest I will suggest we install
Yes.
Ubuntu WSL because
Do
it
you have
works.
that installed already?
What?
Do you have Ubuntu installed?
No.
You know, I've not worked with Windows. That's the
There
thing.
might be another code for Windows. This one might not work for Windows. There might be another one for Windows.
No, it
I
is the
don't know.
same. It is the same.
Someone is saying you should use Dash.
Bash is for Git now. It can. I don't think it can work.
What about
It
CMD?
will work. It will work.
Bash is gonna work.
Bash will obviously work, yes. I'm talking about that.
Tom Chris, just open your terminal and let's see the Scarb version you have.
Okay.
Your normal terminal.
Okay. Fuck. Okay, I don't know. Can you see it now?
No.
No, we can't see your terminal.
You can't see my terminal.
Minimize your open terminal now.
Okay, wait.
If they close this one, are we supposed to minimize it?
Can you see it now?
You just have to minimize it.
Your VS Code actually.
Maybe it's this network that is not anything like.
Minimize the whole VS Code so you can
Yeah.
make some.
Yeah, I've minimized it.
It's showing full screen. You entered full, not minimize.
Okay.
I'm still seeing your VS Code.
Just go to the top right hand side now. That I feel like just
But the day we installed
just click
Scarb,
on it. Yeah.
did we run anything at all that successfully compiled?
My
No.
PowerShell is running like successfully. Like PowerShell, Windows PowerShell is working fine.
This PowerShell, good.
The thing is, he didn't share entire screen. He only shared one screen. That's why you are seeing it that way.
He shared only VS Code. Okay. Who else is having the issue? Let's see if the person can help us. Okay. Lamide, yeah. Okay. Don Chris is sharing.
Yeah, can you see my entire screen now?
Yes.
Yes,
I
you're
can see
sharing
it.
the entire screen now.
Okay, can you see my? Okay, let me go to CMD. Yeah. Can you see my CMD now?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay, so this is the version I have.
Okay. Go to the folder that you're working with and let's see what is there. Go there, you open this CMD something and type in your version.
I don't understand.
Like there's a folder where you
Yeah.
created
This folder. This folder.
Yes, open your terminal, that folder, yes. Right click on it, yes. Open terminal. Let me see.
I
Okay,
didn't see
open
it.
with VS Code. Open with VS Code.
Okay. Yeah, I've opened with VS Code. That's it.
Okay, just write the version here. Let's see. Start version in the terminal of your VS Code or something. I don't know about
Yeah, so
Windows.
this is the version on my VS Code.
Seriously, okay, this way. Then run the stab command. Stab
No,
Cairo
run.
run.
Cairo-run.
Huh?
Yeah.
Scarb, Cairo-run.
Like this, right?
Okay. Yeah, run
Yes.
it.
Enter.
Yeah, so this keeps showing me the same error. Yeah, so can I see it?
Okay, go to
Is,
your stab
is anybody
.toml.
using
Let's see
Windows?
content.
Huh? What?
Stab .toml. Let's see the content, please.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Towards
Go to the
your
scarb.toml. Open that particular file and let's see. From among
.toml,
all
yeah.
the go to up. Go up.
Can the
Open
place
that
your
file.
file is located? Yeah. Name of the file.
Let
Where
him
you
do
have
control
SRC.
P, control P so you can see it. Do control P.
You have to cite that. Okay. Scarb.
11 o'clock. Let me take Paris class.
Yeah. Okay. Dot Tom like Tom L. Yeah. Search. It's not matching it. Just go down to Explorer. The
Just
first
do
option.
Control Shift E, Control Shift E, Control Shift E. You are going to see it. Control Shift E. You see it. Control Shift E. Close that one and Control Shift E.
Okay.
Hold on, Chris. There's nothing here. Can you see that?
Yeah. That's because
And there's no scarb.toml. How did you open this file, please?
yeah, because I was using Windows. I didn't open like you guys. Like
No.
I think
Use scarb new, then the name of the project. Can you do that in your terminal now, please?
That means you didn't use the command. You just
I
went
don't
straight and created a file.
can you guys hear me? Sorry.
Yes, I can hear you. Write on your
All right.
terminal now.
Chinon,
is
so
it
please,
is it
Chinon,
is,
so hold
is
on.
sorry, is it
Let
on
him
my
explain.
on my VS Code terminal?
Yeah,
What
do
I
it
want
there.
to say is that I have the .tom file, but I'm still having the same issue. So I don't know if that is the case here. I have everything complete, but I am having the same issue with this person.
Okay, like I'm able to see the
Are you also
somewhere
using
from
Windows? Chinonso, are you
Yeah, I'm
also
using
using
Windows.
Okay, I think the
Yes, I'm
problem
on
is
Windows.
generic to Windows. You should have installed this in Ubuntu and maybe
or maybe
use
the USL.
Ubuntu.
I don't think it's a Windows thing per se because some people are using Windows and it's working for them. Just try what he has said and redo the whole process. Just redo the whole process while
I
you're
think
showing it. Let's
I
see.
think some people don't have the Cairo 1.0 extension installed. It might report an issue.
No, I think I've already installed my Cairo 1.0. Yeah, I've installed it.
Just go ahead to create this new program. Initialize your project. Let's see.
Sorry, he was saying I should go to the terminal of my VS Code.
Whether the one of your VS Code or normal terminal, just initialize your project.
Scarb.
Sorry, can
new.
I? Yeah.
Scarb new. The name of the project. Anything you want to name it.
Okay.
Okay. Then enter. Choose that first value. Cairo test.
Huh?
Enter. Hit enter again.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Now CD into PRO.
CD.
PRO. Shift. You have to give space there. Then, yeah. Enter.
Okay.
All right. Now go to that PRO and let's see the content. You can copy whatever you have in this hello world. Go there. Let's see if this
Anyway,
will work.
wait. I hope you actually understand what you did, not just that you're writing it. You understand what you just did, Abby?
Yes, you just created a file.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes. Then copy the function main print hello world I said. Just cut it or anyhow. All right. Then go inside the PRO you just created by the Explorer. Yeah. Open it.
Okay.
SRC lib.cairo. Highlight and take away everything here. Paste what you have. Now go to your terminal and run Scarb.
It's Scarb.
Why not clear everything first?
Okay.
Okay, just do clear. Let's see. All right. Cairo.
Okay. Thank you.
So,
Is it
like I
working
said,
now?
Yeah, it's working now.
so you see, it's not a Windows thing. It's based on your installation. If you don't
Yeah,
install
it's
correctly, it won't work.
Okay. So the rest that are having the same issue, did you follow this same process? Okay, I'm seeing some thumbs up right now. This is what we ought to have done before the class, actually. I didn't know we have not done these installations like, okay, we've installed, but how to use it? Wow. All right.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay. Everybody, are we on the same page currently?
Please, can you
Anyone?
go through the commands? Like one last time, like finally.
Okay, someone is talking, please. One person at a time.
I was like, if you can go through the command.
Jennifer, go ahead and speak.
Okay, we should go through the command
Just
again.
once, even if you are not typing, just say just list out the commands like all through from the beginning. So people should just follow that once.
Okay,
Once
for
they
you to
can, everybody
initialize a
can
new
hear, even if
project.
you are not seeing the video.
All right. Okay, for you to initialize a new project, all you have to do, first of all, can you see my VS Code terminal? All right, can you see my VS Code anywhere at all?
Not yet.
No.
Your screen is not set.
No. What about my break? Can you see that?
Not yet.
You are not yet sharing your screen.
Oh, I'm not even sharing. Terrible. Okay, I'm sharing right now. All right. It's up. Can we see that?
Yeah, we can see it now.
All right. So if you want to initialize a new project, now the first thing you have to do is navigate to any part of maybe your desktop or document, wherever you want to work to reside. Go there, open terminal there. You can create a folder. We all know how to create a folder. Create a folder. These are like traditional things you can do, right? Then open terminal on that particular folder. If you want to create a new project, first thing you have to do is write Scarb new. This is new. You are creating new projects. Who the top, please?
For partnering with Lagos to bring this to reality.
Uh, sorry. Okay. So you run. This should be in your terminal, please. Name should be, name, yes, of project pro, like that. This is what you ought to run in your um terminal. After this, next thing you have to do is you cd like enter into this particular folder here. Cd into um this guy, and then once you're in it, next thing you just, I don't know, however you open your VS Code, just open it. Mine can open with this code period, and it opens. Hit enter. The steps is not that difficult. Are we still having issues with this?
Yes, I am.
You are clear, or you're having issues?
I'm having issues.
All right, share your screen. Let's see what the issue is.
Okay.
I will stop sharing now. Okay. Yeah.
You should be able to see my
Seems
screen
to
now.
me it's just okay. No, I can't see anything yet. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up.
So you
All
can see
right.
both my.
Okay. Yes, I can see. I can see. I see Scarb not fun. Classwork. Can you run Scarb -- version? Let's see the version you have.
It's on the right.
No, this is different. The one you have in your VS Code is one. I need you to run the version in here on the VS Code, please.
Okay, so I should come out of the classwork.
No, just run it the way it is. No problem. Don't come out.
Okay.
Yeah, run it there. It should be everywhere. Okay. Now, classwork. Let me see your .toml. Scarb.
My.
Toml. Scarb.toml.
This.
The configuration file. Yes. Open it. Let's see.
Let me just make it bigger.
Okay, everything seems to be okay. No such. Did you just install your Scarb right now today?
No, I installed it Saturday night.
Probably she should like try the whole create a new project and see the whole thing from scratch.
Yes, let's see it together so that we know what's up.
What was the command? New the pro, right?
Anyone, yes? Yeah, choose characters.
Do I open it in a different time in a different
Just
window?
open
Yeah,
your,
okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
You can see my
Yes.
right?
Yes, I can. All right.
Then let me just copy
expand.
Okay. It's just to delete.
Yes, someone in the comment section is saying Windows is not advisable for developers. I totally agree with that. At least get I know we like to play games and stuff like that, but maybe Ubuntu should be like more flexible. Okay, have you pasted it? Because I can still see the old VS Code you're working with. And we have not even done what I wanted us to achieve today. That's interesting. But there's no need to rush. The most important thing is to carry all of us along as many as possible. Yeah. We can still work with Wednesday, then Friday must be a must. Like, okay, you stop sharing, Jennifer. I think she left the call. No. There's no need to be scared. Nothing to worry you about. Web3 is awesome. Okay, just it takes a little bit of time and patience. Okay, and you'll be fine. So don't be scared. But for most of us using Windows, please, if you can upgrade to a Linux distribution like Ubuntu, I think it will help you in your dev journey. I don't know about WSL, how effective it is, but if you can
Yeah,
just
yeah. Sorry.
just
I think,
yeah.
but I think even as a Windows user, you can still install a Linux operating system on your Windows. I don't know. I just want to ask.
Okay, you're talking about dual booting.
No, virtual machine, WSL. Then you can
I
just
don't
download.
know how good it is. That's what I'm trying to say. So I don't know how good WSL is. I'm just
It
like,
drags a lot.
That's true. But it depends on the memory capacity of the system, though.
there is another thing. Can the system carry everything before your system will
I
crash?
think
So please, devs, if you want to build in Web3, I would suggest you get a Linux distribution like, it will help you. Back in the day when we started, we were advised to upgrade. I used to use Windows then, but I had to upgrade. You see that? So, as in, so that you know the headache you're facing, because most of the apps and like applications you will be installing, you'll be running scripts and not like running .exe the way we usually have it in our Windows. So this is like something you might want to do. So I don't know if anybody is still having issues. Can we proceed right now? Jennifer seems to be off the call.
Yeah, sorry, my network is not good. But I got the same error for the new folder pro.
Okay, maybe after the class, we'll look it up, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yes. Any other person having issue that is we can resolve right now, or maybe we should just proceed so that we can do something, before we close for the night. All right, I'll take the silence as that we are on the same page.
I think the fact that we are taking so much time on this beginner side of things, the installation, please everybody, after this class, let's do better to familiarize ourselves. Not like playing around terminal is something you should know how to do by now. I mean, a lot of people seem to be having issues with these fundamental parts. How do you want to now go deep into the technical parts? But regardless, for those feeling like we are wasting time, we are not actually, because the goal is not just to teach, the goal is for people to understand. That's why I'm always calling Victor back so that he can recap. So understand that we are always going to be calling people back this way. We want at least 50 to 60% of the attendees to understand and actually do what they have to do. Yes. At most, if worse comes to worse, we can extend the class. The class is meant to be 2 hours, but we can go another 30 minutes so far as we're able to achieve something. So if it's just this installation that we're able to achieve, these newbies know that they have to sit up. I don't want to call you guys newbies anyway, but I know that some developers are here that may be facing the same issue. But like people have advised, they've talked about the WSL, they've talked about Linus. If these are going to solve your issues, please go ahead and install them so that from next class, we won't delay so much. Okay? So the person that wants to help people install Linux or Windows, please do that in the group. No DMs, please. If you want to assist people, just do it in the group. Send what they need to do on the group so that you assist those that want to port to Linux or WSL or what have you. I'll be signing off now. Once you guys, I wish you guys an amazing class. I have another meeting to jump up to. So you can take another 30 minutes, Victor, if they are okay with that. Class is supposed to end 10:30, 10:40 rather. Yeah.
All right, all right, all right. So the person that wants to help people install Linux, please, everybody should, just all you have to do is back up your files. If you back it up, you upgrade, so that because you'll be running a lot of scripts actually. I know Windows is very, very user friendly and all, but as a dev, I don't think you have much business with Windows, especially if you want to enter Web3. Everything is like changing, so brand new. If you want to keep up, you have to do what it takes. So so far I don't know, are we all on the same page where I am currently? Like, have you been able to print hello world to your terminal? I need response on that so that
Yes, yes.
awesome, awesome. Okay, someone is saying no. Okay, everybody that is still having issues, I think we will have to deal with it after the class, so we know how to proceed with this. So, like we were saying already, I think we've written our first Cairo program, but we can still do this, for the fun of it. Since we've written this, next thing I want to do, I'll just come down here, function fn, call it call.
Sorry, sorry. So I don't think if you are sharing your screen right now.
Oh, sorry, yes, I'm not. After the home talk, don't forget. Want to Google Meet. Right. Okay, can we see my screen right now?
Yes, yes.
All right, going back to what I have here. I was trying to define other functions so that we can achieve what we have here in our slide. So it's all about getting a function called that takes a parameter num. So when I come here, call it call me, right? Takes parameter num. I have to define the type. Type is what? Felt 252. And we don't want it to return anything yet. Okay, so we hit want it to display this number that is here, right? So all we have to do right now is to print line number. Now is we have our placeholder and then we capture the value here. So when we come down to our main function, we call this function in the main. Main call me. Remember, it takes a parameter, right? So we have to supply the parameter. Let's add it like 5, and then let's see what happens. If I go to my terminal and run Scarb, instead of just running this thing every time, typing it, let me just get it from my terminal. It's there. Yeah, let's see what happens. Are we going to run into any error? So we can see we are able to output this number is 5. Did we all understand what I've just done right now? Or do I need to come back?
Your terminal is not showing though.
Wow. Thought we've overcome this terminal issues.
What is showing is that is it a PowerPoint presentation there?
Oh, my code never. What is this here? Okay, can you see my VS Code right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's clear right now.
Okay, can you see the command I ran? Scarb cairo-run.
Sure.
Sure.
Okay. Now, do we have any question with what I've written up there, please?
Can you start afresh, please?
All right, I'll do that. I'll just clean up everything here, and I'll come down here. I'll clean this out. This is where we are, right?
Yes.
All right. So we want to create a function that calls a number, right? So all you have to do is step out of the main function. This is the main. Down here, like I said before, you can create a function using fn We do what? The name of the function is call main. We want this function to take a parameter. Parameter is what? Call it number. It's gonna be of type felt 252. And then we don't want this function to return anything. If we wanted this function to return something, we add something like this. Arrow. Okay, someone is raising their hand. Let me see. Okay, Precious, please. Is there any issue?
Yes, I want to ask that felt num or felt
Okay,
252, is it like a standard or something? Felt
okay.
252.
Yes, felt 252 is the native data type in Cairo. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I get now. I understand. Thank you.
It means that every data type in Cairo 52. Yes, actually, it's still somewhere within our presentation. Get to explain what felt is. Yes, someone else is raising their hand. So let's see. Okay, Pascal. Yes. Pascal, are you there?
Okay, me, I have a question.
All right, please.
Okay, you said FL 256 is basically used as a default data type in Cairo. Does that mean if I want the function to take in words or string, I'm still going to use the same felt 256? Or it is
Yes.
just making use of number? That's why we are using felt 256.
Okay. Now I'm just using felt 252. Okay. There are other data types in Cairo actually, but all other data types were manufactured out of felt. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So felt is like the raw material, like the basic one. Then any other thing, any other data type we want, we can manufacture it from felt. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
All right. So, but don't worry about this. We still have in our slide somewhere here, we will get to see data types, felt, integer, boolean, the rest, So, yes, we have so much. We have so much related to integers, felt, vector. So, yeah, we'll get there. Just a matter of time, actually. All right. So back to what we have here. Since we're not returning anything, let's just take this guy out, and then I open this, function scope.
Sorry. The slide still on your this thing. You're not seeing your VS Code now.
Okay, I already switched actually. All right. Can you see my VS Code now?
No.
No.
That is actually yes, I'm taking it
No, I
out.
can't see your VS Code.
Yes, you can see it now. Yeah, you can see it now.
I think it's disturbing that. Yes, I've taken care of it. All right. So we understand from here to this point, right?
Yes.
Then at this point, we open our function scope. So everything about this function is going to enter here. There's someone raised their hand up. Let me see. Okay, Ubinda, any question?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry to cut you short.
Okay.
I'm seeing a norm there. Is that norm a variable?
Yeah, norm is parameter. Apply parameter to a function.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Do you get that? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember, you can have multiple parameters, please. You can have another one, say norm2, right? Of type. You can call it U8. You can have this, but let's not confuse ourselves yet. So I'm gonna clean this out. Yes. Then inside our function body, we want this, we want to do a basic stuff. Return the number we give this function. All we have to do is print line macro. Yeah. Then why didn't you auto complete everything for me? Just say num is sorry. Num is the placeholder, and then we capture the num here. Does that make sense so far? Hello, I need some feedback. So
Yes,
that
yes, 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 yes.
all right. So we have done this. Next thing we want to do is call this function so that we can get what we have here. We come to the main function. Call it call me, right? We supply an argument 85. Then we come down here, the terminal now. This is my command. Can we all see the command? Whose mic is unmuted? What ask question?
Fantasy is how much?
Gideon, please. All right. All right. So, okay, somebody dropped. I can't see anything. Is it everybody or is it only truth?
Yeah, I think it just stuck one place on your VS Code, and I think we can basically I can see what is going through.
But can you see something moving right now?
No, you just like on one page of your VS Code.
Just stuck on one page, like there's nothing moving.
Especially the terminal part.
Yeah, we can see the switch we are doing. We can see the switch, but like we can't see anything.
Terminal.
You can't see anything on the terminal.
No, we can actually see the code, but like there's no movement. You can't see the movements.
Yeah, we can't see the movement.
Who is that is on me? Please, if you're in a noisy area, maybe okay. Can we see what happened here? Or can't you see my terminal yet?
You can see the terminal, but like you don't know how you get the outcome and the.
Okay, it's just simple. Run here. Scarb, cairo-run.
No,
You see what I highlight?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. In the main function, there's another call me you wrote under the main function, under the print line. I think we are lost from there.
Which one, please? This one?
Yeah, the you wrote something under the print line on the main function.
Yeah. That's call me. This one, right?
Yeah, call me 85.
Okay, I'm calling this function that we defined below here. In the main function. Do you understand? Hello.
Yes, I get you.
Yes.
Okay, but the
Yeah,
person that asked the question, do you understand?
yes, but still, sir, we can't see the movement. Sorry.
Movements. I don't understand what you mean by movement. Like,
Okay. Can you just move your mouse? Let's see.
can you see that?
No, we are not seeing your mouse. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, well, if I type, can you see what I type?
No.
Can't see anything.
Ah,
Are you sure it's not the network or what?
Well, we can actually see the display of the VS, the
Yeah,
terminal.
we can see the page and the terminal, but nothing is moving.
Seeing the movements.
I don't know whether that will no. Right now, can you see my mouse?
Not really.
No.
Let's just run it. Everybody, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Let's try one. All right, I'm sharing my screen right now. I see my screen.
Yes, we can.
Yes, you can see your screen.
I see my VS Code.
Yes.
Now you said I should
Yeah.
move my mouse. Can you see
Yeah,
the
yeah,
mouse?
it's moving. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
moving. Yeah.
Let's hope it's better this time around. Because we don't suffer tired today.
That's right.
Okay. Based on, can you see my terminal? Like, see the outputs, everything.
Yeah.
Do you have any question based on what we've done so far, so that I can explain? Please take your time, because this is like very basic stuff actually. But this is how we get started. Yeah. Any questions so far?
Yes.
Let me.
So,
Okay. Please ask a question if you have one.
okay. Please. I don't know if you can just explain why because you created a main function which is like the entry point, and you created or you call another function which is the call me function, but later on you attached it to the main function. So I was a bit confused from there. I don't know if you can tell me like why attaching it to the main function, like so.
Okay, the reason we attached it to the main function is because we want to call this function here. We want to call it.
Okay.
You know what it means to call a function, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is it's just that simple.
Okay.
So how this program will execute now is this. Our compiler will enter from main. First of all, it will print hello world, because it runs the code line by line, okay? Next thing now, it comes here, function call me, and it will come out to this place and execute everything here. What exactly are we executing? We are just printing, displaying the number that we supply. That's it. So here we are supplying that particular number to the 85. It can be 5 actually. So if we print it again, we should get 5 now. Can we see the number is now 5? Do we all understand so far?
I think it's stuck again.
I think the network has come again. You stopped.
Do we want to explain? So we can proceed. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Understand what types?
Oh shit.
The network is not stable.
Yeah, I think we're having a general problem in this country. Yeah.
Okay, so since we are right on the same, now I'm going back to the slide. Yes, this guy is out again. Stop my call. All right. So we have the data types and structures in Cairo. Now it says every value holds a particular kind of data. So every value, it could be constant. Okay, someone is raising their hand. See, yes. Okay, let me share screen. Sorry, but I was just explaining what we have here, please. These data types and structures. So every value in the program, holds a specific type of data. The data could be felt, it could be integers like U8 unsigned integer 8. It could be a byte array, which is like a string. So that is what we are trying to say here. Now, Cairo is a statically typed language, like I already told us. And we all know what a statically typed language is. Is there anybody that don't know what that means? You can use the chat section or you can mute and speak. Is there anybody that doesn't know what a statically typed language is? Okay, good luck. Okay, statically typed language simply means that you have to be specific about the type you are using. When you're using something like Python, they say, you can define a variable, call it var1 equals 2. Do we see this that I've just written now? Good luck. Can you see that?
Oh no.
Good luck.
Yeah,
Someone
I think the whole magic stopped working whenever you enter your VS Code. Well, if you're out of it, everything starts working.
Okay, you can see my screen right now.
Yeah, sure.
Now I'm going back to VS. It's terrible. Back to my VS Code.
We are not seeing anything.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Hold on. So good luck. Apart from good luck, is there any other person that's having issues with understanding what a statically typed language is? So that let's see how it goes from here. So I'm taking it is only good luck. So let's explain good luck. Good luck. Can you see my screen? So this example is for Python, actually. Can everybody see my VS Code currently?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
All right. So this is how you define variable, at least I think, in Python. Then for JavaScript, you can do something. Let's var, var2 equals, I think that's the right thing to do, right? Equals 5. This is valid variable in JavaScript. Am I wrong?
Sorry, I can't even see the let. I don't know if I'm the only one.
You can't see the.
Someone is giving me a thumbs up. Is it that you can see it or you cannot see it? Which one?
We are seeing your VS Code. We are seeing your VS Code, but I think no, we are not seeing any movement there, sir.
Again, yeah. Okay. Good luck. Can you hear what we are saying so far? You've been shouting network. Hello, good luck. Yes. Someone is saying that num is equal to 5, but in a statically typed language, the way you have to do it is you say let num1. You have to specify the type. It could be U8. Then you say is equal to 5. I'm sending it to look at the typing section so you can see what I sent. Good luck. So what I sent is this is for yeah. Network seems to be very bad tonight, I guess. So, but that is what statically typed language is all about. So it means you have to tell the compiler what to do. Okay, don't worry about. Yes, it's Cairo actually. It's Cairo. Don't. I will explain what U8 is in a minute. So just calm down. We'll get there. There's no need to rush at all. All right. So going back to the slides, I believe we can see my slides, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, true.
So, however, look at this. However, the compiler can infer the type from the value. So this simply means that sometimes, I don't know if my VS Code is behaving again. Can you see anything in my VS Code?
Yes.
Movement.
Yes, you can see it.
Sure.
Okay. This class don't choke. So, sometimes you can have a variable like this. Let's var1 equals 3. This is a variable and it's valid. Now, if you see what I hovered over, can you see that there's something called type, called colon field? Can we all see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is telling you that this variable here is what? A field. Now, if I want to write it statically, like I want to express it the way it's meant to be, what I have to do is add colon here, say field 252. Now, this is a statically typed language, and this is how it's meant to be. But what that line is trying to tell us that sometimes you can actually exclude this, and the compiler will infer it for you. Does that make sense?
Yeah, sure.
Exactly. Now, this variable can be this as well, U8. Now it has changed to, if we hover over again, can you see that the type has changed? Call integer U8. Can we see that over here?
Yes,
So you
sir.
can always use this lintel to like understand what is going on. You can change it to 16. Let's see again. It's changed to 16 now. Can change it to 32. These are type of data we have in Cairo.
Okay.
32. So this is how it is, and the compiler will infer that if we take this off, it becomes a felt, called felt. So that is basically what this is all about. Now who will tell me what it will become right now?
Integer.
Integer what? We have so many.
I32.
No, it will become unsigned integer 8. Let's
Okay.
confirm. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let's confirm this. I will hover. Can you see it there?
Yeah.
So why is this so? Because I added this here. So this is another way to represent it. You can also represent it like this. U8. That's still the same thing. All right. So this is what I'm trying to. I don't know if you get what I just explained about the compiler inferring the data type, and when you have to, like, sometimes you have to be specific about the type you want. Do we get that part?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, let me go back to. So that is what this guy is trying to say. However, the compiler can infer the type of the value and its context. Yes. Now we have three scalar types in Cairo. A scalar type represents a single value. So all these values you've seen here, this guy is a scalar type because it is one. This one too is one. Oh yeah. And we have them as felt, which is the one we've seen up here. This guy here, which is felt. It's called field elements. Then we have integers. Integers, the example of integer is this guy, U8. We have so many integers actually. Booleans, we all know what booleans are. That's is either true or false. Then we have short strings. Short strings is under felt. All right, let's proceed to the next slide. Now we want to go deeper into explaining what these data types is. By default in Cairo, that's what every variable is, like I explained earlier. Now it says whenever you don't define like what a variable is, I think we saw it here when I did not include this guy. Yeah. So what do you think this will be? Variable one, what is it? Can somebody tell us? What type is it currently?
Integer.
It's an integer, but what type of integer, please? Be specific. All right, let's go back to the slide, read it one more time, then we'll come back here and answer that question. You say by default in Cairo, if a variable type isn't specified, it assumes felt 252 type. Do we get this line?
Yeah.
Now I'm going back to VS Code so you can answer the question. What is the type of this variable? The var1.
Spell 252.
Spell 252.
Perfect. Why is it felt 252?
Because no data type is assigned to it.
So automatically it assumes felt 252, right?
Yeah.
See, we are killing it gradually. That's how it go, small. Now,
does that mean felt 252 is the default type in Cairo?
yes, I've said that before. Felt
Yeah.
252 default data type in Cairo. Yes.
Okay.
So it means that even the U8 here under the hood, this U8 is also a felt, but then in there are it was giving some what do you call it? Some ingredients, So it was giving some properties that made it better than felt. But okay, someone is raising their hand. All right. Please, you can unmute and Nicholas.
Okay.
Okay.
You said earlier that Cairo is a statically typed this thing. It means you must
Programming language.
yeah, you must explicitly specify the type. But now,
Yeah.
without specifying the type, by default, it's
Yes.
using felt. So
Yes.
that's what JavaScript and Python does also.
But okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me.
So why is he still referred to as statically typed language, as you say it?
Remember, I said something before now. However, are you following now? The
Yes, I'm
compiler
following.
can infer the type of the value and its context. Can you see that line?
Yes, I can see it.
Exactly. So what you are trying to say here is the compiler is trying to help us, the developers, because when you keep writing these things all the time, sometimes you get tired, right? So the compiler is trying to help you infer the value, but that does not mean that you are not supposed to write the type. There are instances whereby you are required, it's a must that you must write the type you want to use.
Okay,
We
that's to
see
say
example.
under the hood,
Yeah.
once you just leave it as felt, it will now attach the type for you there.
No, once you leave it without, like, if you do not annotate it at all, like you didn't attach the type, it becomes felt, because traditionally every data type in Cairo is what? Felt. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. So yes, so going over to where we were. All right. So we are trying to now determine the value of felt. You say this represents an integer falling within the range 0. This is x. X is the value now between 0 and p. Is less than p. So it means that felt starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, wherever p is. It say where p is a large prime number defined as p equals. So if you use your calculator and then you punch in this, then you actually will get a very, very massive number. And that is what p here is. That's a lot of number. Do we understand what felt is currently? I need some feedback, please.
Yes, but please, can you just come again? Yeah.
Okay. Can you see this range here? It's like mass. 0 is less than or equal to x, less than p. Can we all see that?
Yeah, you can see it.
That is the range of values. Okay, someone is can you, if you're just talk, please. Person that raised their hand.
Okay, I want to say I can see it.
Okay, awesome. All right. So back to this. So we are trying to say that this felt, remember what we have here is 3. So we can have 0, 1, 2, then 3, and so goes on till we get to this particular p here. I'm saying now, we're now told that p is equal to 2 raised to power 251 plus 17 times 2 raised to power square bracket 192 plus 1. That's a massive number, guys.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if I'm to ask, just like defining p like a sum of a huge number, like we cannot even imagine. Yeah.
Yes. So
Okay.
it's telling us the pool of where we can get our number from. You can see it's very, very big, right?
Yeah.
So you can get 200 billion, as big as your number can be. Actually, it can enter here. That's what we are trying to establish. Any number you want to use in your program, you can find it within this range. Well, positive numbers actually, because this is a positive range. So I believe that's okay now. So if you have question, please just unmute and speak because I might not be able to see the question in the chat session. Okay, I'm listening. Yes.
So this means that felt 252 is unsigned integer.
No. Felt is another data type of its own. It is out of felt that we got unsigned integers. Do you understand?
Yeah, I get you. So what's this range for?
The range is just trying to tell you the pool, where we can get our values from, the values of felt. The range is trying to tell us that we can get numbers from 0 up until p, that every number there is a felt. The x is the number we are looking for. In a small mass, not too hard now. Okay, I don't know, let me just explain something with vscode. That's range we saw there, which says 0 less equal to x, then less than t. This is what we had there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just, I don't like these red lines here. It means that this x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X can be any of these values. The person that asked question, can you, Mubarak, are you with me now? Mubarak, are you there?
Yes, I'm with you.
Do you understand what I'm trying to do here?
Yeah, I understand.
So it can go all the way to whatever p is. And p will
But it is
define
also grouping to the left hand.
It's also what?
It's also grouping to the negative side also.
Yes.
No, there's no negative here, please. This is only positive. Can you see the range? The
Yeah,
range says
No, like
he
the
says,
range is also pointing to the negative.
yeah, he's saying less than 0 and minus
This
1,
is
minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, down, 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 keep on going.
Exactly. It is pointing to the negative side also.
okay. I think I get what you're trying to say. But is this less than or greater than sign?
Is less than.
That's less than sign.
But we don't deal with zeros actually. I think that's a mistake somewhere. So we don't deal with zero. It's
But since
between
you
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positive. You get that?
But if you like insisting on that, then where do we have the signed integer? Where does it come from? Since everything comes from felt.
The signed integers are written as I, can be I8, right?
Yeah, I get you. So it can also be
Yeah.
-1, -3, minus like that. So since it comes from felt, then felt covers the whole range.
But remember, they were worked on. They have what they call additional features because felt had issues like, especially when you're dividing, and there's something called overflow and underflows. So with felt, you easily encounter these issues. Now, underflow or overflow, let me explain what it is. Overflow is when, for example, U8, or does anybody know what overflow is so that the person can help us?
It's just like going out of range or something like that.
Exactly. So take for example that U8 can contain largest it can contain is 255, right?
127.
Now I'm talking about U8 for now.
Okay.
So the largest number U8 can
Okay.
contain is 255. This one here.
Yes.
So if we accidentally add one more value to it, or maybe like 2, what happens?
It overflows.
It overflows.
Overflow.
So felt actually have issues like that a lot. That's why they had to introduce I8
Okay.
or I8, all these unsigned integer and signed integer. So they come with added features. You can't do something like this with felt. Let's say if you write
Your mic is weird. Hello, sir. Are you talking or just?
wow. Oh, sorry about that. See, how long have my mic been muted? Like 3 minutes, and nobody called my attention.
No,
No, we thought we just kept quiet and just showing us what you're doing without talking.
Oh, no, you need to be seeing what I'm doing so that everybody will follow me. Okay, let me go back to VS Code and explain what I did.
Okay.
Earlier, I had something like this. Somebody asked if there are other data types, and then why do we need felt, or why do we need other data types when there is felt? Right, that's the question someone asked, right? Please respond so that I will know I'm,
Yes,
right.
yes.
So I'm trying to tell you that other data types like U8, U32, U64 have some added features, but under the hood, they are still felt. And I'm giving an example like this, that if you want to maybe run an if expression, you have 2 values here. We're trying to compare 2. Currently, they are felt. It's telling you there's no implementation for felt. And then what I did was upgrade these values to U8. U8.
Okay.
And suddenly everything works. So I'm trying to tell us, like, these other values have some embellishments. It's like how do you say it? Salad. They brought so many things together to make this salad, so that it will be nutritious. Does that make sense?
Sure.
All right. Let's go back to um okay, our slide. So right now we are done with felt. Now we are talking about integers. Integers were derived from felt, like I've already said this before now. And this is how you define an integer. Num U8. This is unsigned integer U8 as 3. Please, what time are we supposed to like end class?
Said
It's a 2 hours
10.
class.
He said
Okay,
10:40. Yeah.
Okay. So do we end right now or do we need
10,
more minutes? Which one?
it's 10:41 already. I think we should by my own side, just maybe
It's
more 20
10:41. The
maybe
class is
more
supposed
20.
to end 10:40, but it
Yeah.
can take another 30 minutes if you want.
Yes.
That's what he said.
But is everybody in agreement with that? Because we have to move together. Okay, someone says end right now. What happened is this. Okay. What happened is this Wednesday we reconvene and we continue from where we stopped. Saying this can stay. I think that should be the best thing so that because I will need everybody to move together. Someone is saying 11 is okay. How do we take consensus now so that we know who to, should we continue to 11? Please, everybody should say in unison now. Else, because it's your time. Oh yeah, thank you, Chris. Thank you, man. It's not easy. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I think everyone is already saying maybe because of time, but for me, from my own, I think we should just go more 30 minutes. I don't know from other people too.
Somebody is saying no, sir. Too much network problem. Okay, let's just leave it Wednesday.
Yeah. Okay.
Before then, everybody must have sorted out their installation issues so that because that's one of the things that actually took a lot of our trying to get our working environment operational. So on Wednesday, please everybody should come around 8:30. Now you have as per the group. I don't know the group you guys are in, but please everybody should make sure they are you can compile your program. If you need to upgrade your PC, just do that. I think the work is worth it. In the end, it will pay you. So do that, and thank you all for coming around, even through the hard times. You guys did not leave. That's awesome. And next tomorrow will be better, obviously. So thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
Who ends the recording to?
Yeah, so sir, please, I don't know if there's any more thing we can just install again. Maybe by Wednesday, I think maybe by Wednesday everybody must have done that already. So you tell us, so we do that.
Yeah. For now, all we need is Scarb. For now, the only time you might another additional installation is I think that should be week 4. When we'll be talking about Starknet Foundry, or next week when we'll be talking about Cairo, Starknet contracts. So that's about that. I will see you guys next tomorrow. Then about ending the call, please. Is there anybody responsible for that, or we should just let it go? Like the recording.
I think
all right.
I think Kelvin used to handle that. He used to post it on.
Yeah, I think it's Kelvin. Yeah, maybe it's automatic. Yeah.
All right. Good night, everybody.
Yeah, good night. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, talking.
Please, can you share your slides, please?
Hi, boss.
Hi. If you understand what's in there.
Yes, now.
You know,
Senior
boss.
man.
That's not a problem. Just share it,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. So please, sorry, if I upgrade
Yeah.
my Windows to maybe I want to install a Linux operating system on my system on my Windows. Like what are the necessary things to backups? Like for my files and folders, like I don't want to lose them. So that's why basically I don't know how to make use of the Linux operating system, but I just want to do it because this Windows is giving me a lot of times.
Yes.
And the recording is still on though.
Yeah, it's still on. I don't know how to. I'm not the what is it called?
I
I'm not
think once we end the call, the recording will just stop.
You should stop it now because we are still discussing things that are not really. So.
Okay.
No, I'm not the admin, like the host. So I don't
Hello,
have
Don
those.
Chris.
Okay,
I
so
don't have.
okay, so maybe just drop your Telegram handle so we can just ask you directly where we can ask you from. Maybe we just leave the call.
Okay, can someone send me the group or what's it called?
Okay.
The group, yes.
There's no way you can erase something.
I've sent the slide to the comment section. So yeah, I'm very good.
Oh, okay, I've seen it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Don Chris, I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes.
I heard you asking about how you will install or can install Ubuntu alongside your Windows, right?
Sorry, yeah, I heard it. But I think the call is recording, so I just think we should just do this off call.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm on the WhatsApp group. You can just tag me on the group.
What's your WhatsApp name on the group?
Okay, wait. I'm dropping a message now. Yeah, just drop a message now.
The slides have been sent to the group. Have a good night, rest, everybody. See you in the next class.